Leetcode daily challenge. Question 3643. Flip square submatrix vertically. This is an easy problem. This problem is asking us to flip a submatrix. Say for example, this is a matrix and this is a submatrix. We want to flip this one. The first thing we can put into consideration is, since this is vertically, so we don't really care about the column. We can keep the column number as it is, so the column number doesn't matter. That's the first thing. The second one is, how do we flip? There's a way we can do is, when we're talking about flip, I'll take it as a swap. So how do we swap two values? You can use this trick. AB equals to BA. This is how we swap two values. The third thing we have to think of is the row number. With a given row number, how can we get the target row number that we're gonna swap? So think about this way. There's a submatrix with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and we want to swap 1 and 5, 2 and 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. And all we have to do is taking care of the half of this k value. That will be good enough. So in this case, if we use 6 minus 1, then we can get the target row number, or 6 minus 2, that is also a target number, which means a row number x plus k minus 1 minus the original row number. This is the formula of the target row number. But anyway, this is the whole solution we're gonna use to solve this problem.